When your Hisense portable air conditioner won't turn on, we need to systematically check the power supply. Let's start with the most basic checks first. First, ensure your air conditioner is properly plugged into the electrical outlet. This may seem obvious, but loose connections are a common cause of power issues. Test the electrical outlet by plugging in another device, like a lamp or phone charger. You can also use a multimeter to verify the outlet is providing proper voltage, typically between 110 and 120 volts. Carefully inspect the entire length of the power cord for any cuts, fraying, or damage. Damaged cords are not only a fire hazard, but can prevent your unit from receiving proper power. Replace any damaged cords immediately. Check your circuit breaker panel. Portable air conditioners typically draw 10 to 15 amps, which can trip overloaded circuits. Look for any tripped breakers and reset them. For best results, use a dedicated circuit for your air conditioner. Many Hisense portable air conditioners have an LCDI safety plug on the power cord. Locate this plug and press the reset button. The button should click and remain pressed down. If the reset button pops back out after pressing it, this indicates a ground fault issue. This is a safety concern that requires professional attention from a qualified electrician. These basic power troubleshooting steps resolve most issues when your Hisense portable air conditioner won't turn on. If these steps don't solve the problem, you may need to perform a system reset or seek professional assistance. If basic power checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is performing a standard reset of your Hisense portable air conditioner. For persistent issues, try a hard reset which fully discharges the internal capacitors. Check your unit's display for error codes, which provide valuable diagnostic information about specific problems. Also, verify that the timer function hasn't been accidentally activated, which could cause the unit to shut off automatically. If these steps don't resolve the problem, you may be dealing with more complex hardware issues that require professional attention. One common advanced issue is capacitor failure. A blown capacitor can prevent the compressor from starting, requiring replacement by a qualified technician. Another rare but serious issue is water leakage from the LCDI safety cord, which requires immediate attention and cord replacement. For complex issues like compressor failure, refrigerant leaks, or electrical problems, contact a qualified HVAC technician or Hisense customer support for professional assistance.